Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to use 8x8 VoIP tutorials for beginners. Guide to setting up 8x8. First is to sign up and create an account. Visit the 8x8 website. Click Get Started or Just Talk to an Expert. Choose a plan. Select a plan that fits your business requirements. Create an account. Enter your details including business email, phone number, and company name. Configure your 8x8 settings. Add users and assign numbers. Log into the 8x8 admin console. Add user by entering their email addresses and assign phone numbers. Set up voicemail. Record a custom voicemail greeting or use the default system greeting. Enable voicemail to email notifications for easy access. Call routing and forwarding. Set up call forwarding rules. Use auto attendant to create menus and direct calls to appropriate departments. Business hours. Configure business hours to route calls differently during off hours. Make and receive calls. Make a call. Open the 8x8 work app. Click the dial pad icon, enter a phone number or choose a contact from your directory. Answer calls. When a call comes in, click the answer button on the app. Use options like hold, mute, transfer, or record during calls. Send messages and faxes. Click the message icon. Select a contact and type your message. Use the 8x8 fax feature to send and receive faxes digitally. Host video meetings. Schedule a meeting. Open the 8x8 app and click the Meetings tab. Enter meeting details and invite participants by sharing a link or sending email invites. Join a meeting. Use the provided link or join from the app's meeting section. Meeting features. Share screen, chat with participants, and record meetings if needed. Integrate with other tools. Integrate 8x8 with apps like Microsoft Teams, Salesforce, Google Workspace, and more. Monitor analytics and report. Access call and user analytics in the 8x8 Analytics dashboard. Generate reports on call volume, user activity, and other performance metrics. Set up security and compliance. Enable multi-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. User permissions. Assign roles and permission to users based on their job functions. Compliance. Ensure your settings comply with regulatory requirements like GDPR or HIPAA if applicable. Tips for using 8x8 effectively. Ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection for clear calls. A good quality headset improves audio quality and reduces background noise. Lastly, explore 8x8 Support Center and Knowledge Base for tutorials and FAQs or facts. And that's basically it.